doing? I'm Brian. You might know me from a YouTube channel called Vintage Van Life, where I am cruising around in the 1977 Dodge that I call the War Wagon. Well, behind me is a 1950s, maybe early 60s Elver Sailboat. Actually, it's an art, technically. And this is known as the warship. The warship came into my life accidentally on purpose when someone was looking to give away a boat, and I can't say no to free stuff. It's made out of wood. It's got some fiberglass up top. That's a cabin lid there that if you slide, you can go down inside of it. It's on a magic tilt trailer. It's got these poles that I have absolutely no idea what they're for, but maybe for sails.
That's what I was thinking.
I got sails for it. I got anchors for it. I got brand new parts to restore the interior of it. I got paperwork on it. I got blueprints on it from when it was built back in the day. I got everything you would ever want for this thing. And I don't really want to sell it as much as I want to trade it for something cool. So if you're watching this and you got something cool, get a hold of me, because I want something cool and I'm not a boat guy.
You mean living out in the desert like this, you don't use a boat every day?
No. The only thing I know less about than boats are airplanes. and I don't have any interest in being on either one of them. And the person got this kit and built it. The person I got it from had it in the water one time. It didn't leak, and then he decided he wanted to restore it. Then unfortunately he began to suffer from dementia and couldn't finish it.
What types of cool things are you looking to possibly trade for?
Guitars, gold, cryptocurrency, vans, RVs, motorcycles. Cool stuff that I'm not even thinking of right now. Like, nothing is off the limits. The worst I can say is no. You know, I don't know, you got a 58 Les Paul would be nice. It doesn't even have to be valuably equivalent. If it's cool, I don't really care. I would do it because this is a boat and I'm in the desert.
And you got nothing into it.
Yeah, I got nothing into it. Other than a couple of gallons of gas to pull.
You just hitched it to the back of your car, your vehicle, and drove it over here. Right?
I got video of the War Wagon pulling the warship, you know what I mean? That was the biggest reason I got it, was to shoot a couple videos.
Okay, so that's something you could do. You could use it as a trailer. Just to pull behind the van, and then...
It doesn't pull. It's 25 feet long. And my van isn't getting any newer.
I've seen that before, though. I've seen people like pulling a boat and using it as a trailer.
Yeah, I would think maybe somebody might want to take this thing, fix it up a little bit in the backyard, and let their kids make a playhouse out of it or something like that.
Yeah.
You know, the possibilities are endless. Or you can put it in the water.
So could they trade you a kid for the boat?
Absolutely not. No animals, no living things, no plants, nothing. Well, maybe certain kind of things.
Yeah.
We'll talk about that later. There it is. You know what I mean? If you want to, let's just say Halloween's coming up, right? And you guys want to go out and pretend that you're Gilligan's Island? Boom, there you go.
Or pirates.
There's your prop right there. You want to be Pirates of the Caribbean on a budget? Boom, you got this, you know what I mean? You will be, what is this, Captain Jack Hamster instead of Sparrow.
We could buy this or trade for it and take it to Ironwood and we could call it Burning Boat.
Done.
Instead of Burning Man.
In fact, I would, if you guys want to do that, as long as you take it to your house till then, we'll do that. I mean, that would be fun, actually.
Yeah, it would be. Burning Boat.
Yeah. We play a set on it.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be really cool. Oh, that's the stage for the whole thing, and then the last day we burn it.
Brand new stuff. The guy was restoring it.
Yeah, it looks like it.
So, I mean, there's like all kinds of brand new stuff with it. I have 2 sails for it in there.
Wow.
So your intention wasn't actually to redo it?
My intention was I can trade this for something cool.
Try and flip it, yeah.
Trade. I was put it out there and see what happens. Yeah, or if somebody wants to buy it, you know, I'd take it. If someone wants to give me $1,000 for it, they could take it. Because, I mean, it's the boat has got, I mean, the trailer's got to be worth $500. There's 2 anchors for it, you know. It's the, what is that thing, the keel? The keel for it's over here. Maybe that's it, I don't know, there's a keel here for it somewhere.
Hide the rope and the duct tape, you know, and the shovel.
Earlier I was talking about the War Wagon. Here's the War Wagon, 77 Dodge B200 maxi van, 360 V8, life liver. Check it out. That's the back. That's where all the magic happens. Don't be afraid to poke your head in there.
I didn't know you were a magician.
I am. Magician, musician, it's all the same thing. I found this thing, I passed it for a bunch of years. Finally asked the guy what he was doing with it. He said he was waiting for me to stop and buy it. So I bought it, drove it home that weekend, ripped everything out of it, and then kept, you know, like redid some of this stuff and put new stuff in it. It's got 600 watts of solar, 300 amp hours of lithium, diesel heater. Up front here, I got some cool stuff I did.
I liked what you showed me when you had me step in there.
Yeah, man, check it out.
Look, it's got like this bay. What would you call that? Bay? What do you call that?
That's just a recessed floor.
Yeah, so if you step in, you think you're going to step here, but you're actually stepping down here. And so, I mean, with my hat on, I'm touching, but when I didn't have a hat on, when I came in here before, I wasn't even touching. So that's kind of cool. You got your little stove right here.
You got a 2-burner with a slide-out refrigerator under it. And then behind you, I got a sink right yonder.
Oh, okay. So the sink's under the. Oh, that's just kind of a cutting board.
Cutting board thing that I put on there.
Okay.
USB rechargeable faucet. Then a couple dressers that I found next to a dumpster. That closet there's got all my mechanical room in it, and that's where I hang my clothes. And then this over here is my food pantry. Got some storage underneath there, and in the back of that's where the diesel heater is.
So this recessed floor goes all the way. Now this was already in here.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can actually walk all the way over here, and you can cook right at the stove without having to stoop over.
Industrial kitchen fan in the War Wagon. And if you want to see, there's a refrigerator slide.
Oh.
The fridge is out. So
Cool.
yeah, just that in there and it slides up into there.
Okay. I have a drawer like that in mine, but I had a drawer like that in mine. But I've been through 2 refrigerators. Or I'm on my 3rd refrigerator already.
Well, I think mine's gonna be changing this fall because it's got another. I got 2 refrigerator gigs now, and Set Power sent me one that's like 20. No, it's a 30 quart that I'm gonna keep in here as a freezer, and then Iceco or Dometic, one or the other, I don't remember. They're sending me a 65 quart dual zone.
Wow.
Oh.
Well, you can make it dual zone, but I'm gonna have to lower the. I'm gonna need a bigger hole to put that one because this is only 47.
No, that's just a refrigerator.
Yeah, and then that's a 9x6 awning.
And so this is the brand, which I forgot what the brand was 9x6, and what you paid 50-some bucks.
I'm sorry,
for
9x7. Yeah, and 41 bucks. I got that off of
40,
Amazon.
I think it might be a little more now, but yeah.
Open box. Amazon Prime
okay.
Day. Like
Okay.
during Amazon Prime Day, I buy so much stuff, and half of it I send back. But
it doesn't matter. They'll take anything back.
Exactly.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for showing us around.
Rock
showing
and
us
roll.
the warship and the war wagon.
War Wagon. The War Wagon is a permanent fixture. The warship is temporary.
Okay.
So get it.
Even if we use it at Ironwood and use it for burning boat, it's still temporary.
Yeah. and then that way we'll do that, and then we'll sell the
The trailer.
sell the trailer, and we'll use that for Ironwood 2027 fund.